The government is pushing forward with radio lessons, as Secretary for Primary and Secondary Education mentioned that this service will arrive on the airwaves in the near future. The first phase will be material for primary school students covering mathematics, indigenous languages, English, science and technology, and heritage studies. These radio lessons are set to keep running even after the COVID-19 phase passes. WhatsApp contacts that have the click-to-chat feature enabled are said to have their number reflect online in plain sight. The privacy issue was highlighted by Atul Jayaram, claiming he was able to see around 300,000 WhatsApp numbers in plain text. When a click-to-chat link is generated, it includes the user's number as part of the link and is the portion of the link that allows someone to reach out to you directly. Facebook, and by extension WhatsApp, has since patched this up, but no official statement has been released. Hotbox is a new WhatsApp bot that has emerged looking to replace Duta. Hotbox has been developed by Zimbos and it gives updates on educational content, music, sports, and news updates, amongst other things. At the moment, the bot is under trial, making it free to use, but there are future plans of enabling subscriptions for the service. The RBZ and the Financial Intelligence Unit have again added new financial restrictions. A bank customer is now only allowed to make a maximum of 2 internal transfers a day, regardless of amount. Those wishing to do more than 2 internal transfers need to apply to their bank for approval. On the side of mobile money, EcoCash went on to confirm that the following transactions have been blocked: agent to agent, agent to bulk payer, bulk payer to bulk payer, and bulk payer to agent.